I am Afsamar from Maths Online Coaching. Today we are going to solve a question paper of Pearson Edexcel International A Level, 13th January 2026, Pure Mathematics P2. Question number 1, Part A. Find the first four terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 3 plus kx raised to power 7. Where k is a non-zero constant, give each term in simplest form. Come towards the solution. Part A. We have to find the first four terms of the expansion of 3 plus kx raised to power 7. It can be done by using the formula known as binomial theorem. According to that, a plus b raised to power n is equal to nc0 a n b raised to power 0 plus nc1 a n minus 1 b raised to power 1 plus nc2 a raised to power n minus 2 b square plus nc3 a raised to power n minus 3 b cube plus so on. We want only first four terms of this expansion, so stop here. In this expansion, 3 plus kx raised to power 7, a is equal to 3, b is equal to kx, and n is equal to 7. Put it in the formula. 3 plus kx raised to power 7 is equal to 7c0, 3 raised to power 7 kx power 0 plus 7c1, 3 raised to power 7 minus 1 kx raised to power 1 plus 7c2, 3 raised to power 7 minus 2 kx square plus 7c3, 3 raised to power 7 minus 3 kx cube. First four terms. Now simplify these values. 7c0, put it into the calculator and get the answer equal to 1. 3 raised to power 7 is 2187. Kx raised to power 0 is equal to 1 plus 7c1 equals 7. 3 raised to power 7 minus 1, 6. So 3 raised to power 6 is equal to 729 multiplied by kx plus 7c2 is 21. 3 raised to power 7 minus 2, 3 raised to power 5, which is equal to 243. K square x square plus 7c3 is 35. 3 raised to power 7 minus 3 is 3 raised to power 4. This is equal to 81. K raised to power 3 x power 3. Again, on simplifying, we get 2187 plus 5103 kx plus 5103 k square x square plus 2835 k cube x cube. Now these are the first four terms in simplified form and in ascending powers of x. X raised to power 0, x raised to power 1, x raised to power 2, and x raised to power 3 in ascending powers of x, which is required in part A. Now look at part B. Given that in this expansion, the coefficient of x square is 3 times the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x square is 3 times coefficient of x cube. Find in simplest form the value of k. Coefficient of x square is 5103 k square, this one. And coefficient of x cube is 2835 k cube. Now the condition is coefficient of x square is 3 times the coefficient of x cube. So 5103 k square is equal to 3 times 2835k cube. We have to find the value of k from this equation. It gives 5103 divided by 3 into 2835 is equal to k cube divided by k square. It gives k is equal to 3 by 5. This is the value of k.